Strategy number 5 will be finding a common denominator. I have two fractions which I need to subtract. So you know, when you subtract fractions, you must have a common denominator. Since this one has a sine and a cosine, we'll need to put a cosine into the second fraction. This already has our common denominator, so I'm just going to write it back down. And when I apply that to this fraction, I'll need to put a cosine in the denominator so that they match. I'm going to put this word cosine where it was, but then since I put a cosine in the denominator, I have to also put it in the numerator. Now I have common denominators. I do notice that cosine times cosine can be written as cosine squared. Since I have successfully found common denominators, I'm now allowed to subtract the fractions. Again, we recognize from our identities that 1 minus cosine squared x is equivalent to sine squared x. We want to reduce this fraction. We notice that we have the word sine in the top and the bottom, so I can eliminate one from the top with this one in the bottom. When I do that, I'll have one sine left in top, and this sine will have canceled with the extra one, so I'll just have cosine in the denominator. And now I notice from my trig identities that sine x over cosine x does equal the right side, which is tangent x. Therefore, tangent x equals tangent x.